No, this is the best idea ever.
Don't hurt me, dog. One click down.
It is all the way down.
Just one down. You don't need it all the way down when it's warmed up. One click down. Not all the way down.
You flooded it, dog.
What do I do?
Open it up.
I know. This is retarded. It's good though, it's good. Get your hands out of the way. Drink it! Yeah! Yeah! Dude, that's fucking awesome.
No, that's a shotgun if I've ever seen it.
Dude, that's YouTube if I've ever fucking
He
seen
looks
it.
like Hunter right down in the bottom.
Oh,
The new way to shotgun.
That a boy. And then we get the deer heads.
Joe, that's one too.